Guys and girls, the pair is GBPJPY, and on this pair I'm going to show you my favorite price action strategy. And to make this interesting enough, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you too can apply price action to your trading toolbox. Also in this same video, I'm going to show you a live trading example that was taken on a real account. Furthermore, I'm going to explain all the conferences that made me take my trades specifically at this area. Then afterwards, I'm going to explain to you how or where to place your stop loss and take profit orders for maximum risk reward ratio and avoid that mistake that all beginner traders make of cutting out the winner trade so early and let the loser trades land the wrongest and end up blowing all their hard-earned accounts. If this sounds interesting to you and you really want to be successful in forex trading, then please take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to never miss any of my future uploads. Hey guys and girls, I hope you're all ready for some cool price action tips. So here's the thing, I always use a 4-hour time frame to analyze my given current trend if I am to be day trading. So then I draw my arrow to remind me that the trend is on downtrend. And if I'm to think about anything else, then it should be sell trades only. Now, after you have identified your trend, make sure that you mark the levels, which are technically called the previous low highs. And once you have done that, before you even think about pressing your entries, you must, and let me insist here, you must first identify the risk that you are about to take. As for me, this red line pressed here above this 4-hour week rejection should be my stop loss. Once I'm comfortable with that risk, then I wait for the perfect entry for me to enter this trade. So to get my entries, I'm going to shift from this 4-hour time frame to 1-hour time frame to see if my conferences for entering this trade have already been met. So this is the 1-hour time frame. I'm sure that you can see clearly the weak rejections at the marked area of interest. So here is the thing. These weak rejections are so important as they show that the bulls are no longer strong and that the bears are soon going to take over the market. So it will be a very wise decision to make sure that you always go with the winning side, especially here in this forex market. Having said so, let me enter my trades right now without wasting any more time. Guys and girls, if you haven't still subscribed to this channel, then please take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on, as this channel will be offering all the free knowledge that you will need to be successful in forex trading in 2022. Now, for the sake of those completely new to forex trading, please allow me to remind you how the market moves in a downtrend. If you really think that you have not understood, then please feel free to ask any question in the comment section, as I will gladly reply to you as soon as possible. Now let's take this time and observe carefully how I monitor these trades from time to time. You'll also get to see that during this trade, there was a time that the trade did actually go against me for a few pips. So you'll get to learn how to deal with those kinds of emotion when these things happen to you. Lastly but not least, you'll also get to see how I logically protect my already earned profits in order to avoid to turn winner trades into loser trades. Guys and girls, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.